we go.
This is a child abduction emergency transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. A statewide Amber Alert has been issued for the Knoxville Police Department for 5-year-old Devotee Morris Clark. Devotee was last seen at his ex-residence in Knoxville. Devotee is an African-American male with black hair, brown eyes, stands about 2 feet 6 inches tall, and weighs about 45 pounds. Devotee was taken by his non-custodial mother and may be traveling in a white Ford Explorer with temporary tags. Devotee was seen wearing a baggy t-shirt.
Dang it.
Further clothing description and direction of travel are not known. An active warrant for custodial interference has been for Ashley Clark. If you have information on the whereabouts of Devotee or Ashley, please call 911 or contact the Knoxville Police Department at 865-215-7-347 or the TBI at 1-800-TBI-FIND. This is a child abduction emergency transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. A statewide Amber Alert has been issued for the Knoxville Police Department for 5-year-old Devotee Morris Clark. Devotee was last seen at his ex-residence in Knoxville. Devotee is an African-American male with black hair, brown eyes, stands about 2 feet 6 inches tall, and weighs about 45 pounds. Devotee was taken by his non-custodial mother and may be traveling in a white Ford Explorer with temporary tags. Devotee was last seen wearing a Babin t-shirt. Further clothing description and direction of travel are not known. An active warrant for custodial interference has been issued for Ashley Clark. If you have information on the whereabouts of Devotee or Ashley, please call 911